you reach your goal. Stated by Swami Vivekananda. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's news.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Sudeep Kumar Surya of class 11 standing before you to read out today's news headlines. They are as follows. Starting with international news. Magnitude 7.5 earthquake strikes Mindanao, Philippines. Israeli offensive shifts through crowded southern Gaza, driving up death toll despite evacuation orders. National news. Kenyan President William Samoei Ruto to pay state visit to India from December 4 to 6. India Maldives to set up co-group for further deepen ties as PM Modi meets new Maldivian President Muizu. State news. Satkosia gears up to meet three conditions of NTCA. Sports news. Ronaldo walks off to chants of Messi as his team loses 3-0 in Riyadh. France coach Didier Deschamps to meet Euro 2024 draw after undergoing surgery. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature will be 29 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius. 4% chances of precipitation. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Today's quiz.
Imagine with all your mind, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. With this, a pleasant morning to one and all present over here. I'm Vibhuti Bhushan Das of class 11, welcoming you all to today's quiz corner. And here is my first question for class 6. Who is known as human computer? Thank you for your answer, and your answer is correct, and the correct answer is Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was an Indian mental calculator and writer, popularly known as the human computer. Her talent earned her a place in 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Record. And my second question is for class 7th. Which channel divides the Indian islands Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal? Thank you for your answer, and your answer is absolutely correct, and the correct answer is 10-degree channel. And my next question is for class 8. Where is the film Slumdog Millionaire filmed? I'm repeating my question, and question is for class 8. Where is the film Slumdog Millionaire filmed? Millionaire, British dramatic film directed by Danny Boyle that won 8 Academy Awards. My next question is for class 9. In which state of India is the Hornbill Festival observed? I'm repeating my question, and the question is for class 9. In which state of India is the Hornbill Festival observed? Thank you for your answer, and your answer is absolutely correct. The correct answer is Nagaland. The Hornbill Festival is an annual festival celebrated from 1 to 10 December in the northeastern Indian state of Nagaland. The festival represents all ethnic groups of Nagaland, for which it is also called the Festival of Festivals. And my next question is for class 10. How many Ramsar sites are in India? I'm repeating my question, and the question is for class 10. How many Ramsar sites are in India? Anyone else? Sorry, the correct answer is 75. A Ramsar site is a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention, which is also known as the Convention of Wetlands, and named after the city Ramsar in Iran. My next question is for class 11. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? I'm repeating my question, and the question is for class 11. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? Thank you for your answer, and your answer is absolutely correct, and the correct answer is Hippocrates. And the next question is for class 12. Name the Booker Prize winner of 2023. I'm repeating my question, and the question is for class 12. Name the Booker Prize winner of 2023. Anyone else? Sorry, the correct answer is Paul Lynch. For Prophet song Triumph of Emotional Storytelling, Paul Lynch has been named the winner of the Booker Prize 2022. And my last question is for all. What was the first car ever produced by Tesla? I'm repeating my question and the question is for all. What was the first car ever produced by Tesla?
The Roadster.
Thank you for your answer, and your answer is absolutely correct, and the correct answer is Roadster sports car in 2008. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
National Education Policy 21st Century Skills. So what are the skills and why are these required for? Let us first know that why are these skills required for? These skills are required to make a youth ready in the competitive job market and helps them to become highly successful. So what are these skills? In total, there are 12 21st century skills which are divided into 3 parts. That is learning skill, literacy skill and life skill. So first let us come towards learning skill. Learning skill helps a person to become a lifelong learner, and there is also a proverb that is we learn till we die. So learning skill has 4 subcategories. First one is critical thinking. Critical thinking leads a youth to have impartial observation and also enhances the judgmental ability. Second is creativity. It leads a youth to be innovative and also to have a scientific mindset and observe everything with a scientific temperament. Third one is collaboration. It increases the team spirit and enhances the collaborationship and interpersonal network. Fourth one, that is communication skill. This is the most important and the most basic skill in all this 12. It is a parameter of measuring the rate of success a person will achieve in his or her life. So that's all about learning skill. Now let us come towards literacy skill. The term literacy means to be educated from the basic level. So before delving into the deep with the modern trends of learning, a person should be literated in the specific area. So literacy skill has 3 subcategories. First one is information. Information makes a person knowledgeable and also he will be becoming a live example of encyclopedia. Second one is media. A media enhances consciousness about reality and awares about current events and situation. As we also know that nowadays competitive exams has 50% reserved for current affairs, so it is good to know about the current events going on. So the third one is technology. Technology makes everything faster. It facilitates works and processes. For example, ChatGPT, which enhances a person's lingual ability. So let us come to the third type, that is life skill, popularly known as Phillips. Until and unless we add life skill into the arena of 21st century skill, we will not become holistically developed. So life skill has 5 subcategories. First one is flexibility. Flexibility says that it leads a person to adapt any kind of environment and adjust in any kind of situation. Second one is leadership. It leads a person to have good governance, democracy and raise good politicians. Third one is initiative. Initiative says that it leads a person to make new startups and it leads a person to be independent from others and also it enhances the ability of entrepreneurship. Third one, productivity. It says that it leads a person to be productive and have a well time management and it also teaches us mental faculty. The fifth one is communication skill. Communication skill, it leads a person to be friendly and kind to others and it also enhances the basic skill, that is the communication skill. That's all for today. I expect I have conveyed the message of NEP 21st century skills to you and I also expect that you will try to implement in your life to become highly successful and an iconic figure in this society. Thank you and have a nice day.
Assembly, solo! Please up! Ready for the comedy song? Ready, 1, 2, 3, start!
हे